Okay, now we're going to do the motor connections. First of all, I'm going to strip off the insulation. And I do it this way because it doesn't tear at the wires, and no, I don't damage the tip because I clean it immediately afterwards. And I twist the ends, then I get my no clean flux and pop it in, and then tin it with the solder. And with that done, pop it into the terminal. I can get it in straight. There we go. And screw it down. Now I'm going to do all the other three like that. Then we'll test it and see if I've cured the juddering problem. If I haven't cured the juddering problem, what I'm going to do is replace the stepper motor just in case it's that that's causing the problems. Okay, see you in a bit. Up to the computer. I've got Mac 3 up and I've got the jog wheel up. So here we go. Would help if you turn the power supply on, Raymond. Okay, here we go. Okay, reset done. Here we go. It's backwards. That's forwards. So when it's up, that's going to be backwards. It's going to be forwards. I've got to swap the two windings over. That's not a problem. Okay, so the next thing to do is to hook it up to my Y table shaft. Hook it up to this and see if we can make that turn without any jiggery pokery. Right, be back. Put my hand on the stepper motor because it's not on a bracket. So let's go. Reset. Okay. Keep everything crossed, peeps. Oh, look at that. That is perfection. I've got to anchor the bearings down properly. But as you can see, it works beautifully. Right, all I'll do now is sort the bracket out, fix the bearing mounts in position, and then we can start moving things properly. Thanks a lot, peeps.